Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python by solving interview questions to top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and try to build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question in status scratch regarding frequent customers. This question has been asked in Apple and Amazon interviews, and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, find the customers who appear in the orders table more than 3 times. So we are given a data frame called orders, and our expected output is a pandas data frame with one column, customer ID. So these are all the customers who are appearing more than 3 times in the orders data frame. Let's inquire about this data frame. So it has a number of columns like ID, customer ID, order date, and all that. So what we need to do is we need to find out all the customer IDs who are present then more than 3 times in this orders data frame. So what we can do is we can group by the customer ID, take the ID column, perform a count and see how many times each of the customer ID is present, and then keep only those customer IDs who are present more than 3 times. So we can start by, so orders dot group by the customer ID column, and since we learned about dot aggregate, so dot aggregate, let's create a column name called number, and then what we basically need is we need to take the ID column and perform a count to see how many times each of the customer ID is present in this table. Since we group by the customer ID, that is going to be by default become the index. So to have that as a column, we need to write dot reset index, and let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get. So here we have the customer ID and the number of times they are present in this order data frame. Now we need to keep only those rows where number is greater than 3. So we have learned about dot query to filter data frame. So what we can do is we can write, so now until here, right? So this entire thing gives you this particular data frame, and then we can use dot query and then provide, okay, keep only those rows where number is greater than 3. That is going to satisfy the demand of the question that we need to only keep those customer IDs who appear more than 3 times in this data frame. So if I go ahead and run this now, so here now you have all the customer IDs who are more than 3 times present in this data frame. But in our output, we only need the customer ID, and the output is a pandas data frame. So we can provide this as, okay, we need only the customer ID column. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get. So yeah, everything is same. If we look at our expected output, let me go ahead and submit this to pass all the test cases. So everything is green, and this is how we do it. So not a very difficult question. All we basically did was, firstly we grouped by the customer ID, took the ID column and performed a count to see, okay, how many times each of the customer ID is present in this table. Then once we had that, then to get customer ID as a column, we had to reset the index because we need that as a column in our output. And then we kept only those rows where number of times they appear in this data frame is greater than 3. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.